Hi, this is Chris. This is a demonstration video on how easy it is to assemble one of my chicken coops. You can assemble them just about as quick as you can tell you about it, so I figured I just would. Here you go. Here, watch. Need a screw gun. Don't need as big a one as this, but it works. You got your floor, that comes from us. Then you take one of your end walls, sit on here, center it, take your screw gun, and in each of the pre-drilled holes here, you put a screw along the bottom, then you take your door track and stick it on there. And you have to do the same for the other wall, of course. Pardon me for a moment. Make sure it's centered. Get one in there to hold it. Apply screws along the bottom, just like your house. Then you want to take your purge. Can't forget your purge. It'll be pre-marked, pre-drilled. Have to make sure this wall doesn't float over. It will be crooked on you a little bit if you don't pull them in like that. There you go. Okay. Then what you do, take one of these walls. That's your end wall. Helps to take. We put some extra screws in here to begin with. Not extra, but just the ones that are marked. Make sure it matches the top. You want to do that. You don't want your drill bits fall on the ground like that. Twice, especially. I'm doing this on a bench. Of course, you want to set your floor wherever you're going to have the coop. Take a look at some drainage and things like that. Bottom of the floor is pressure treated, so you can set it anywhere you like. But it helps not to flood out your chickens. Here we go. Here's a little better demonstration of what I was doing over there. You want to take it, make sure these are straight again. Then you got another door track for the back. drill hole. See, you caught me. Still missing a couple screws in here. Okay. Then what you do, take our handy dandy pre-made rough section, and it just sets in place like that. Okay, then trust me, I'm going to do this to the other side too, huh? Here I am. Three screws in each end of that. Then put on your top rough section. And we got extra long screws for that. Same screws you use for the door tracks. But I might change the door tracks. We can do those with hinges and a barrel bolt if you want. Just kind of home style. And there you go. Don't forget the chickies from the doors from chickies. And there you go. This famous Chrisso, the chicken coop king. That's how long it takes to assemble one of these. Thank you.